hope you can hear me okay. I got a special treat for you today. I have a special treat. I have a special treat for honestly all of us. It's for you, for me, everyone involved. So today we are going to be unboxing the November edition of the Magical Mystery Bead Box. So, spoiler alert, if you are still awaiting your box, some of our international customers, it takes a little bit longer for it to get to you. If you're still awaiting your box, just stop watching this video right now and we'll just have to hang out later. You just have to join us live on the Silver Silk channel at 6:30 for some jewelry making. But if you have received your box, or if you're just curious about what's in this mysterious creation right here, stick around because we are going to unbox it. And I am personally really excited about this because I haven't seen this box yet. I worked with Stacy curating the box, and I ordered custom components for it. This month we were delayed shipping the box. So for everyone that is a subscriber, thank you so much for your patience getting the box. We created some custom Jesse James components for this mystery box, and they were a little delayed arriving to us. So thank you for being patient with that. From our subscribers, I have heard that you guys have really liked this box, and I haven't seen it in its entirety yet. So this is going to be as much a surprise for me as it is for you. Let's see who is here. Oh, Meredith. Hi, Meredith from Beadalon. Oh, hi, Justin. Ah, Justin's here. Justin is Ava Motherwell that throws the whole bead show. Justin is Ava's husband. So, hey, Hubs. Hi, Trisha. Hi, Sarah Ellis. Hi, India. Okay, great. Lisa says, hello, Sarah. How you be? I be great, Miss Lisa. I am in Pittsburgh right now. I'm visiting my family out here in Pittsburgh for the weekend to celebrate the holidays. And last night I got to see my favorite band play here on Pitt's campus at the Peterson Event Center here in Pittsburgh. I got to see Fish play, so that was wonderful. Got to reconnect with some old friends, see some amazing music. Now we're gonna unbox this thing, and then I'm driving south to Uniontown to go visit my grandma, my mama. My dad, Jesse, will be in town tomorrow. I see my uncle tonight. It's a holiday time. It's time to get together, right? It's time to get together, and it's a good time to treat yourself. Or tell your loved ones that you want to be treated to a magical mystery bead box. If you are interested in receiving this as a gift, honestly, you could sign up now, and your family could put it underneath the tree for Christmas or for Hanukkah. Because we will be shipping the December boxes out around December 15th. And we have $30 off for a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month subscription, okay? The code is CYBERPRIME 2019, okay? And that's what you enter at checkout after you add a 3, 6, or 12-month plan to your cart. Or you pass this video along and you tell your daughter or your son or your husband or your mom or your friend that you really want one of these boxes. And you can get the deal. $30 off is like a month for free, which is crazy good. And it's happening now. So, should we open it? What do you think? You want to see what's inside? Okay. All right, let me just like slice this thing here on camera using a pen. I'm in a hotel right now. I guess they probably have a butter knife that I could use, but the code, Wendy wants to know, is CYBERPRIME 2019, CYBERPRIME 2019. You can get that on the Jesse James site, but I'm just telling you now, I'm gonna make you jump through any hoops when I know that you guys have been itching for this magical mystery bead box. We asked our friends in Secret Stash, what do you want for Christmas from Jesse James Beads? And it was like, magical mystery bead box, magical mystery bead box, subscription box, subscription box. So this sale's for all of you guys that have been dreaming and scheming and theming for these boxes. Thank you, Emily, for writing the code there. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Isn't this beautiful? I'm at this really sweet little hotel right now, right off of Pitt's campus. Okay, magical mystery bead box. Let's get down to it. Let's get down to business. Okay, so as a Magical Mystery Bead Box subscriber, you will receive one of these boxes every month in the mail, okay? It is a specially curated box by the design team at Jesse James Beads. Each month has a theme, and we take a lot of pride into the work that goes in these boxes. Oh, yes. So you open your box, and you have all this festive pink paper. That feels fun. And you get a card. This is your art card that comes inside every single box to tell you about the theme and to tell you what you're getting. The November theme is Going Nutty. I think there might be some squirrels involved. And here's everything that's inside. First Frost bead strand, Sweater Weather bead mix, Falling Leaves bead mix, Cider House bead mix featuring Swarovski, Squirrel and Mum charms, Going Nutty tassel mix, Copper jump ring, Roasted chestnuts mini mix, Chain reaction, Copper clasp, Copper chain, and you get a little project in every Magical Mystery bead box. We've got some acorn bead caps from Nunn Designs, Becky Nunn, super, super quality metal. I'm very, very excited about this. Copper head pins and a pearl. Sherry Anderson says she just got her Going Nutty box and she says it's awesome. Sherry, thank you so much. I hope you're having fun making stuff or just starting to dream up something. And this artwork just like so cool too. Look at the flying squirrels. Oh, hilarious. Okay, let's get into the box. Set my pink fluff aside. Oh, baby. Oh, gosh, I'm so excited about this, guys. Look at this strand. Oh, these colors are on point. Okay, what do we call this strand? This is the First Frost bead strand. Wow. So I know that you guys are aware, most of you guys know, that at Jesse James Beads, we hand design and we string all of these products right in our hometown of Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. The beads have been dyed to match this color palette, to match our Going Nutty color palette. Wow, these are so cool. Stacy, if you're watching, this is amazing. We just did a live video yesterday. Stacy and I were talking about the custom bead mixes that we do for soft flags. So Jesse James Beads creates custom bead mixes for different e-tailers. We do it for ourselves and we do it for other guys out there too. We do it for soft flags, we do it for Nile, Patel's Silver Silk Magical. He has his own mystery monthly kits. And we just designed, and it's released today on the Art Beads website, 20, or I think there's 15 bead mixes that are available exclusively through Art Beads. So please do check that one out as well. All right, back to the Magical Mystery Bead Box. Okay, so this is this custom strand that comes in the mix, that comes in the box. Exclusive only to these exclusive only to the Magical Mystery Bead Box. You can't get that strand anyplace else. All right, next we have the Roasted Chestnuts mix. Oh my gosh, stop. Look at those cute little connectors, they're acorns. And then a whole little Christmas bead mix. So funny story, we knew that this box was gonna ship late because we were waiting on some of these special components. These were custom made for Jesse James as well as some of the other ones that I'm about to show you. So we knew that this box was gonna be late. And I said, Stacy, we can throw in something Christmas because the box it's running late. We gotta give our fans something to make for the holiday season. So Roasted Chestnuts was a last minute addition to this box. And I think that everyone's probably pretty happy about that because look how cute this thing is. There's tassels in there. Really great assortment of beads. Hello. And these guys, to me, they want to be earrings. I don't know what they say to you. But those look like they want to be turned into a piece of ear candy. Next, we've got Chain Reaction. How many pieces are in here? Got 3 pieces of this chain. Our beaded chain is so excellent. We ordered a lot of it a long time ago, and that is why we're able to offer it into the Magical Mystery Bead Box. This chain is super high quality. The metal is lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free, of course, and it's plated 6 times. So if any of you guys have purchased or have used Chain Reaction, please give a thumbs up or let everyone know how great this chain is. The metal color doesn't wear. The metal color is so solid on this chain, and the links are just really cool and interesting to look at. So there's 3 styles in this one. Or no, two styles. Two of the red, one of the, this like brown, beautiful color. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. Okay, what's next? Oh, this is fun. Okay, so we went very copper with this set. Here is the copper chain. This is from my friends down in the Tampa area, Primitive Earth Beads. I don't know if you've ever shopped their chain at bead shows, but man, oh man, is it nice quality. So we got you guys some beautiful copper chain. And of course, the end findings to go with it. So there's your clasps, or a clasp and jump rings to add a little bit of that rustic copper color to your designs. I'm gonna start running out of room here. So guys, just as a reminder, we're looking at the Magical Mystery Bead Box, and we do have this one final day. It ends tonight at midnight. You can use the code CYBERPRIME2019 to get $30 off a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. So if you've had a Magical Mystery Bead Box on your Christmas list, Hanukkah list, holiday list, today's the day. Treat yourself. Okay, next we have Cider House featuring Swarovski. This is great. Look at that. There's Swarovski pearls, and then we've got some orange Swarovski beads and some little bicones. This is adorable. Guys, this box is a steal. We're like, man, this box is just great. There's so many cool things. Look at just the Swarovski beads alone. The pearls are so radiant. I think that those would go really good with the acorns here. Okay, what's next? Next we have the Sweater Weather Bead Mix. This is adorable. There's pearls in there, glass pearls, vintage check beads, these like funky, they kind of look like nuts, those beads right there. I think they're acrylic. Glass pearls, check glass, and then you get these beautiful little bubbly balls here. This is a fun set. I really dig it. Really enjoy it. Okay, what's next? It just keeps coming, the beads. So much stuff in this mix. Okay, here's the tassel set, Going Nutty tassel set. That's beautiful. I love the incorporation of the light coral with the brown tassels and the gray. Do you see these thread tassels? They actually have 2 or 3 colors in them to give them a really robust look. Okay. Next. Oh. You guys hear the tunes that they're playing right now? Oh, it's so good. Some feel-good music. Okay, now I'm just being silly. Okay, so this is the Falling Leaves mix. And again, guys, all of these items that we're looking at, the strands, the mixes, everything is exclusive to our Magical Mystery Bead Box subscribers. I believe this box may be available for purchase right now on the JessieJamesBeads.com website. You can go and check it out and go to the What's New page and see if we've made it live yet. I think it should be. If not, I'll ask Danielle to make it live for us so you guys can purchase this box outright. It costs more money that way. You get a really good deal as a subscriber. Everything that's in this box is a $60 to $70 value. So we do offer a few of them at the end of the month for retail value if you like need to have this box. But once it sells out, it's gone. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, I am like tearing up right now. I'm serious. This is the custom component that we were waiting on that had our box be a little delayed. Oh my god. Guys, look at this squirrel. This is a pewter squirrel with copper metal coloring. Oh my gosh. This is a beautiful piece. So we designed this one and we had it produced for us, and man, oh man, did it come out so cute. Emily says that this box is not currently live on the website. We'll change that, Emily. We'll change that for this afternoon, okay? As soon as I get done with this, we'll make it live, okay? So we have that code that I told you about, the $30 off the free 12-month subscription. You can also use that for $30 off your $100 order. So if you want this box, get the box, add a few more things, and then enter the cyber code in. And you can save a little bit of cash, which is always helpful around this time of year. I'm like, Like, would this look good with the copper chain? Just like one big statement squirrel. He's a statement squirrel. I am into it. Okay, next we have, this must be the Squirrel and Mum set. Look at those little baby squirrel charms and these beautiful hand-dyed flowers. So cute, right, Sarah Ellis? Sarah, did we get you one of these boxes? I'm gonna have to send you one so you can make some stuff. And then we've got copper bead caps. This is a great kit. Man, this is a really, really good value. Look at all this stuff. Okay, last but not least, from our girl, Becky Nunn Designs. Her stuff is the bomb. You get this bead cap and a glass pearl and some copper head pins so you can make yourself a little beaded acorn dangly. That's that. The squirrel came with some leaves. So let me just take a quick overview. We'll just one more time recap what we have here. So we just looked at the First Frost bead strand, the Sweater Weather bead mix, Going Nutty tassel set, copper jump rings, roasted chestnuts mini mix. Remember it? Remember that one? So adorable. The What's This project with the Nun copper bead cap and the pearl, chain, clasp, more chain, cider house bead mix featuring Swarovski. Where's that one at? And then the Falling Leaves bead mix. This is a slam dunk of a mystery set. So that is the Magical Mystery Bead Box. You can find it at jessiejamesbeads.com. We have it right in the top menu bar. You don't even have to go looking for it. You can find it right in the top menu bar at the website, Jessie James Beads. And don't forget to put in your code. Cyber Prime Week. That's it. That's all she wrote. This is, we were gonna, I was gonna do this live yesterday and have yesterday be the last day for the Cyber Prime, but I drove myself out to Pittsburgh and it just took a little bit longer. Took a little bit longer and then had places to be, things to see last night. So we extended our Cyber Prime 2019, Cyber Prime 2019 code through today. So that's $30 off a $100 order. Also translates to $30 off your Magical Mystery Bead Box subscription. 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. So if you've had it on your mind, now's the time to go do it. It's ending at midnight, okay? It's gonna end at midnight Pacific. We've been doing Eastern Standard Time for this entire sale, but we'll do it to 12 p.m., midnight, 12 p.m., oh my gosh. We will go through midnight Pacific Standard Time tonight, 3 a.m. Eastern Time. So enjoy it, enjoy it. Oh, guys, I'm gonna go through the comments and respond to you since I'm about to hit it and quit now. Family time this weekend. I hope wherever you are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for your support these past few days with our Cyber Monday, Cyber Prime Day event. It has been so much fun coming out here and hanging out with you guys, doing these Facebook Lives, and Sarah Ellis has got projects going on. It's been awesome. So we will see you live at 6:30 p.m. on the Silver Silk channel. Sarah has an awesome project for you featuring the Tis the Season bead mix from Jessie James Beads, and of course Neelay's fabulous Silver Silk. So you won't want to miss that one. Otherwise, I'll just catch up with you. I'll see you when I see you. Have a great afternoon.